Now, when using Google AdWords, the important thing to keep in mind is the quality score. The quality score is what enables you to be rewarded for the extra effort you put in to creating your ad groups, your ad creative, and your landing page. When you have a high quality score, it enables better visibility and more frequent visibility for a lower cost. And so by rewarding those who take the extra time to craft their campaigns, implement a clear keyword strategy from beginning to end, you are rewarded with lower cost keywords, which creates more visibility. In looking specifically at the ads for hiking tours in Southern California, we see a number of ads that are provided here. The number 1 ad has hiking trips and hiking tours. The number 2 ad has that as well, and the number 3 ad is for a specific location. Now, what's interesting is the amount of people bidding on hiking tours that have nothing to do with Southern California. On the right-hand side, we see Southwestern hiking tours where California is included, but they're also talking about national parks. The number 2 ad is about the Grand Canyon. The number 3 ad is about Europe. The number 4 ad, bucket list destinations. And so what's happening is we see the ads having lower quality and lower relevance based on an open bidding process, meaning that just because you typed in California doesn't mean you're going to get only ads that are for California. And so people that are bidding on hiking terms, but their ads are showing for California terms, creates an element of relevance that is very low quality. And this is where we need to know the quality score. And so this is important information if you are setting up a campaign in Google AdWords. The first element of the quality score is how much you're willing to bid for your ad when someone clicks on it. Then, the quality score encompasses the next 4 factors of the copy you use in your ad, the click-through rate of how often people click those ads, the load time of your landing page, and the relevance of your landing page. Let's look at each one of these elements differently. So the ad copy is critical because what we're looking at here is how often do you use the specific keywords in your ad. You see, you're bidding on a specific word, that when that word is searched on, that will initiate your ad to be shown. If you are bidding on a specific word, then your ad should reflect that word. So number 1 question, are you using those keywords in the ad? Are you bidding on those keywords? And does the ad copy contain the keywords? From our example, we were looking at these results in the context of hiking in California. These ads, the majority of them, are obviously bidding on the word hiking, but because we use California, all of a sudden we're seeing irrelevant ads. The bid price is a big factor. How much are you willing to pay per visitor? Are you below your competitors? How much are you below your competitors? Or how much are you bidding above your competitors? This is all about the visibility that you want, and your budget needs to match the demand. Sometimes I find a lot of people that want to scale back their budget and maybe only spend about $5 per day. However, they're bidding on 200 keywords. That's not enough budget for the demand. And chances are your budget will be blown by mid-morning and no one will see the ad. And so you have to budget accordingly to understand the demand for specific keywords. The click-through rate is based on how many times people see your ad and click through. And so your ad performance is an important factor in the quality score. So not only your ad, but the ad group and the past performance of the account by itself. And included in that is the landing page, that once someone clicks through, what do they do when they see the landing page? And so your landing page needs to match the language of the word that you are bidding on, the ad group that is matched to that word, and then the landing page. Now, this may seem like common sense information, but so many advertisers overlook these clear factors. And that is, if I'm bidding on hiking tours in California, that specific phrase, then my ad should have hiking tours in California, And then I should be taking people to a landing page specifically about hiking tours in California. And I need to use that phrase throughout. If I don't, then I'm going to have a lower keyword score and a lower quality score. So your landing page needs to be relevant to the ad, the keyword, and to the ad group. And one rule that I will tell you here is to never use your homepage as the landing page. So many times we see campaigns that are set up and then ultimately they take people to a landing page, which is the home page. And unfortunately, your home page is not the best page. When someone types in hiking tours in California, they want to be shown that specific information. And so our page of Explore California has 20 different things that people can do as far as vacation packages. I'm going to send people to the exact page that has hiking tours specifically for California. That way they don't have to re-navigate my website to find the information that they want. Your homepage is rarely the most relevant page for your bid. Load time is critical. Your landing page can be optimized to load faster. Ultimately, what we're looking at here is the customer experience, because the customer is, to the search engine, the primary audience. If they have to wait for the page to load and it's not a good experience, then you're going to have a lower quality score. So you can optimize your images and files to enable a faster load time. Now, here's some rules for setting up AdWords accounts. Create clear ad groups for specific keywords. If you're in doubt, create a new ad group. The more specific you are in your ad groups to the keywords you're bidding on, the better your score will be. Make sure you use those words in the title and copy of your ads. Make sure you have a clear URL with the keyword in the ad that shows people that they are going to a specific landing page. And make a clear landing page for each ad group. Always use the specific keywords on the landing page in the ad through your bidding. And like I said, it seems like common sense, but so many advertisers don't take the basic steps in considering quality score. So as you're creating your ad groups, matching them to a landing page, and many times you will have to create new landing pages in order to be optimized for the ad groups, and make sure that your bidding strategy matches all the way through to create a consistent ad process for the searcher.